New tonight at 5, a message from Leon County Schools for parents. If you think your child has COVID-19 or could have been exposed, please keep them at home. Good evening. I'm Eva Van Valen.
And I'm Channing Frampton. This comes as Florida reports more than 637,000 COVID-19 cases across the state since the pandemic began, with children seeing impacts where we live. In the last week, just over 2,700 kids have tested positive for COVID-19 in the state, with more than 51,000 children cases in Florida since the start of the pandemic. ABC 27's Cara Bailey joins us live from Swift Creek Middle School, where Leon County School Districts reported its first case of COVID-19. In the last hour, we also learned that the district is dealing with at least 6 cases in total. Cara, what's being done to keep those numbers down?
Well, Channing, Superintendent Rocky Hanna says that the cases were expected, but now the thing to do is really just take care of managing it. Cases reached the principal by 11 a.m. Wednesday morning after the child's parents notified the school. 2 teachers here now under quarantine. Hanna says if your child is being tested, keep them home. The district releasing today's cases just moments ago, with 4 students testing positive and 2 employees across the district. Contact tracing now being done to find out who else may have been exposed. Scott Mazur of the Leon Classroom Teachers Association says this raises new concern for teachers.
It's a great concern about where teachers are and their safety, because in all these cases, the exposures, if people do not report properly, report to school in any shape or form, it exposes everybody. And that has an ability for it to go ahead and transition and transfer between other people that could maybe not impact them severely or their immediate household, but somewhere down the line, there's going to be someone with a high risk factor that's going to be impacted.
Now, we reached out to the district for an interview in response to those new teacher concerns, but we did not receive a response. It is important to note that this afternoon, Leon County Schools emphasized the importance of parents keeping their children out of school if they have any symptoms that may be associated with COVID-19. Now, LCS also plans to begin sharing daily updates of the number of cases identified at each of their schools on a new dashboard that they plan to make public on their website homepage on Monday. In Tallahassee, Cara Bailey, ABC 27.